Hello, Chef here. Just getting ready to test out this Porsche turbo knife again here. Make a quick salad. I just wanted to show you how nice this baby cuts. Get a really good knife. It's like, wow. This has got a wicked tip on it too. Really nice for getting into small areas like this. These turbos, baby is sweet. Alright, let's continue here and turn this into a julienne. I've also got some fresh basil leaves, looking really, really good. Gonna roll them up here and make just a small chiffonade. Okay, there's a nice chiffonade, fresh basil. And now I've got a piece of hard cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano. Just want to do some slices here. Romaine lettuce. Nice consistent cuts. Cornichon. Just a small salad I tossed together here. I'll be adding some seafood as well as some vinaigrette. Thanks for watching. Check out the sponsor and score your turbo by FA Porsche. Really, really amazing blade. I like it. Smash the like button, subscribe right there. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Let me see. The first one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So You notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Okay, American black walnut is a beautiful species of wood, makes a great cutting board, countertop, bar top, island top, you name it. I really like this wood. It's nice and hard, very beautiful, a chocolatey brown color. Next we have Liptus. Liptus is a farm-raised wood from South America. Very beautiful. I love the color. I love the grain. It's hard stuff. It's just about like maple. Next we have maple. This one here is this is rock maple. It's covered in plastic, but that doesn't matter. You can see the color. It's very nice. These are NSF certified. Beautiful. Light blonde color. And here we have bamboo. This one's imported. You can see you get what you pay for. I don't use these. Hey, oh yeah, it's gonna be good. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. And it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. youtube.com. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really, really nice. Look at that color. Smells wonderful. I'm gonna roll this basil up, do a really quick chiffonade. Please like, share, subscribe, smash that like button, let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. There's a lot of awesome recipes on there. Make sure you leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe, score all the cool stuff at your sponsor, get cooking, and of course for the recipe, subscribe and watch the chef's other videos. You're going to find it. Sourdough bread. Oh, it's going to be good. Oh yeah, I got some homemade clam chowder here. I put extra clams in there, lots of potatoes, some thyme. It's good to go. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out some of the soup recipes that I decided to share. Black pepper, I love it. Oh yeah, let's put a little extra grind on there. If you want one, you can visit the sponsor and you can check them out right there. They got all kinds of them at the sponsor. Star anise. Oh, it's a really, really nice quality. Hard to find. Professional quality knives. This one's made in Germany. It's a really old knife. It's still going. I love it. You got to get the channel knife, and of course melon ballers, all different shapes and sizes and styles. And you got to have a stable cutting board. Rock maple. Trust the chefs. Yeah. Slam the like button. get cooking. Oh yeah. Have a great day. It's gonna be good. Yeah. Wow, it smells so good. I can't wait. Have a beautiful day.